I never really liked shaving, hated shaving. For me, it was, yes, it was a question of shaving. It was on my face. You know, it was basically, for me, facial hair is a problem because that doesn't code as feminine, is basically is the thing. Is it's not seen, it's often seen as a masculine trait, and that's not what I want to be seen as. I'm a woman, and you know, that's the issue. Even though I was assigned male at birth.
Veronica first came to us looking for laser hair reduction, so we proceeded in doing full face laser hair reduction. Our whole goal with laser hair reduction is to get that hair when it's in its anagen growing stage. That's when we can actually cause the hair to die off and not regrow. When someone comes in for laser hair reduction, we need to go through the skin typing, the Fitzpatrick scale of skin typing. And that's super important because that's what we use to set the machine to the appropriate settings for their skin type. You can usually see results after the first session of hair reduction. Technology is super important to me, and we did a lot of research before we purchased the machines that we have.
I mean, from what I've seen, it looks like it's gotten all the visible hairs. It's one of those things that some people are more self-conscious about it, and I happen to be one of them.
My HydraFacial MD machine is my go-to machine for clearing the skin, reducing the pores in a very gentle fashion. For Veronica, a HydraFacial would be great to soften the areas that she may have been shaving that were producing a lot of hair. Now that we've reduced the hair, you might want to go to a HydraFacial to soften the skin and shrink the pores.
Since I've also had the hair restoration, I wouldn't want to have to worry about wearing a hair piece or anything like that. It was moving, you know. So it was basically needed to bring that forward, fill in those gaps.
Fundamentally, there's a difference between a hairline of a male and a female. Usually men have a little bit more of a recession to their hairline, where a woman's hairline comes down to frame the face a little bit more. So with Veronica, all we're doing is enhancing her already nice hairline. We want to bring down those recedes to frame her face and give her a more female looking hairline. Veronica's about a month out of her hair transplant. This is about the point where everything is just starting to shed.
I mean, I can already see the hairs starting to fill in. I felt confident before. I just, now more so in the fact that I don't have to worry about, does anybody see anything? Does anybody, you know,